Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. I'm here with a video where we will discuss about the Grok 4.5, which is the new update of Grok, and it's a very big and a huge update because of the token consumption and the model training as well. So we can go with the official site of XAI News, and then Grok 4.5 is here. Where we will discuss about the introduction of the Grok 4.5. Grok 4.5 is Space X AI smartest model built for coding, agentic task, and knowledge work. Today we are launching, and they have launched in the previous days, but now I am creating the video on it. Smartest model built to excel at coding, agentic tasks, and knowledge work. It's our strongest model ever was trained alongside Cursor. Cursor also have update on the Grok 4.5. You can go to the Cursor official site or X account. They have mentioned everything. Real world engineering excellence were trained on dataset spanning the knowledge in coding, science, engineering, and math. These are the major parts in the AI and the agentic task, and with both intelligent and efficient reasoning, 4.5 excels at real engineering tasks and exceed the comparable leading models at these tasks. These are mentioned here. Deep SWE ratio is here, benchmark is here, SWE 1.1 benchmark is here, SWE Marathon benchmark is too much higher in this picture, in this graph. Trained across the thousands of NVIDIA GB300 GPUs, which is the huge amount and large scaling, thousands of NVIDIA GB300 GPUs used by train this model with the training stability technique designed for large scale runs beyond raw token volume. Beyond raw token volume, they have trained the real time data with so much thousands of GPUs. We interested having in data filtering and querying. It means if you give the prompt, they will filter the data from the real time and trained data and give you the result. If they don't have, then they will choose your tokens and then generate the code. Deduplicate, quality scoring, and domain focus selection, and so that the data mixture stayed high coverage, high signal, built with one prompt. You can see here they have built this design and this functionality with only one prompt. The prompt is mentioned here, like you can see here. 4.5 incredibly capable at coding for challenging Rust and C++ task to end-to-end app building from the prompt to production. It's a production level application. I have closed this image by using the mouse, and if you can click and scroll this one, and I have moved around 360. It's working in the 360 area. Everything is very cleared. Click here and make it faster, and alongside faster than flash models. 4.5 served as a fast model speed, 80 TPS, and combined with twice greater token efficiency than the largest leading model at the same task. On the other task like ChatGPT, Coin, DeepSeek, you know very well, these models take time and consume so much tokens, but the efficiency is greater and the tokens are minimum. In the Grok 4.5, the model delivers intelligent results to you more quickly at a far lower cost. The example is here. Token efficiency is Claude Opus 4.8 use 67,020 tokens, the average output token of SW Bench Pro task. So Grok only serve 15,954. It means they have served 4.2 faster, fewer tokens, and the cost is now managed by using the Grok. And if you are using the Opus 4.8, then it will take so much tokens, so much expensive. Excels at office work. Excels as office work mean if you can give the command, it will provide you the every office work like Word or the slides or everything. Everything is mentioned on the single command. You have built this application. You can use this one, and the cost, the Grok 4.5 is priced at $2 per million input token and $6 per million output token. It's minimum compared to the other any model like DeepSeek is the open source and Queen is open source model. But still, if we can deploy that model in any server, at any server, the server will cost you the greater than this, because of they will charge the cost per token, and because of the consumption of tokens are high in the DeepSeek and Coin. In this model 4.5, they have reduced the cost. That's why they will provide you the minimum amount you can use the purchased. But we will discuss about the free version, how you can use the free test of the Grok 4.5. You will use the API. API is here, API documentation. If you can go to the API docs, then they will give you the every documentation like Python, OpenAI, and JavaScript documentation. You can just copy this one, and if you want to implement in Python or in Laravel, then you can give the prompt to AI to make change and make it implementable at any platform. Then they will provide you the integration method. So here is the documentation, you can use it. After that, they have give you the coding agent as well. If you want to use at the terminal, then they have also provided. You can copy this one and go to the terminal. If you have Windows, then open your CMD or the PowerShell and run this command. It's a curl command. I have also run this command, that's why I don't need. After running, you can write Grok and then enter. It's now running. But if you can run first time, then it will give you the URL or redirect to the browser to authenticate Grok by opening the XAI website. Then you can sign in or sign up by using the XAI. That after that you will see this screen and say hi. It will give you the result. So here is a complete guide of Grok 4.5. So now we can click to the pricing. So here is the pricing of the XAI, real-time web and X search, voice mode. You can also use the voice TTS, text to speech, because it's a very minimum price of $15, and also provides you the 96% human-like voice. I have also created the video on it. You can on the YouTube, like the other lot of channels they are using by helping the AI. So that's all. Take care of yourself. I will come back with a new video. Bye bye.